Across the rugged mountains of northern China, a stone giant awakens with the sunrise. This is the Great Wall of China, one of the most ambitious structures ever built by human hands. Stretching for more than 13,000 miles, the wall crosses mountains, deserts, and valleys, a symbol not just of defense, but of determination. For centuries, China's northern borders faced constant danger. Nomadic tribes moved swiftly across open land, launching sudden raids on villages and trade routes. To protect their people, early Chinese states built watchtowers and frontier defenses, eyes fixed on the horizon, always alert. As early as the 7th century BC, separate kingdoms began building walls of earth and wood. These early barriers were simple, but they marked the beginning of something far greater. With no machines, workers relied on handmade tools, wooden frames, ropes, baskets, and sheer human strength. In 221 BC, China was unified under one ruler, Emperor Qin Shi Huang. He ordered the separate walls to be joined, creating the first Great Wall. Hundreds of thousands were forced into labor, soldiers, farmers, prisoners, all working under strict command. Stone and earth were carried across impossible terrain. Every block lifted, every step uphill, demanded endurance beyond imagination. The work never stopped. Under burning sun, freezing winds, and brutal exhaustion, survival itself became a daily struggle. Many never returned home. Legends say the wall is bound together by sacrifice, earning it the name, the longest cemetery on earth. Centuries later, during the Ming Dynasty, the wall was rebuilt stronger than ever. Brick, stone, and lime mortar transformed it into a powerful fortress. Watchtowers became communication hubs, smoke by day, fire by night. Warnings traveled faster than armies. The Great Wall was more than a barrier. It was a living defense system, manned, watched, and defended. Today, the Great Wall stands silent, no longer a weapon, but a reminder that human will, when united, can shape history itself.